According to a lawyer for Donald Trump, we, United States citizens, have absolutely no right whatsoever to protest Donald Trump at any of his campaign or presidential rallies. Now, the lawyer made this argument during the lawsuit that's being brought by three people who were removed from a Trump campaign rally after Trump told his supporters, get him out of here, and they were roughed up and dragged from the premises. Last month, a judge ruled that this case could go forward into discovery and into trial, and so Trump's lawyers are trying everything possible to make this case disappear because, as they put it, this is a burden on the president. Now, here's specifically what this lawyer is arguing. He's saying that Donald Trump had every right under the First Amendment to tell his supporters to get them out of here, get those protesters out of here. That's protected speech, according to Donald Trump's lawyers. He is allowed to say and do whatever he wants under that First Amendment. But when it comes to protesting at a rally, oh hell no. The First Amendment, according to Trump's lawyers, does not protect that. Now, they have a right, the lawyer said, under the First Amendment to protest elsewhere, but not inside of a rally. Now, I don't know if Donald Trump's lawyers ever actually went to law school, or maybe they just failed to take that constitutional law course that's typically a prerequisite for anybody even thinking about going to law school. But I can tell you, as somebody who's actually taken the course, yeah, they do have a right to protest at that rally. And no, Donald Trump does not have a constitutional right to incite violence. That's not protected speech. And you know what? The judge in this case actually agrees with that, because the lawyers for Trump tried to file this motion a while back, and the judge said that's not how it works. So instead, Trump's lawyers now are telling the current judge, hey, can you just pause the case because we just want to appeal it to a higher court? Maybe we'll get a friendlier judge who will say that, yes, Trump has First Amendment protections, but nobody else in this country does. Because that's what's really at issue here. This is a First Amendment case, and Trump's lawyers are arguing that we, the citizens, do not have those First Amendment protections. They only apply to the wealthy, to the people up on stage. You know, those people that we should all be revering. They have all the rights. We have absolutely nothing. That's what Trump's lawyers are trying to say in court, and hopefully this current judge is not going to allow the case to pause so that they can appeal it to a higher court, and hopefully they find in favor of the plaintiffs in this case, because what happened at that Kentucky rally where these three people were removed was disgusting. And yes, it happened because Donald Trump told his supporters to do that. These people are lemmings. They will do anything that this man says, and he knows it. He is a manipulator, and he knew exactly what he was doing when he told those people to get him out of here. Trump knows it, and his lawyers know it, but they're trying every sneaky trick in the book to make this case disappear and deny justice for those three people that were forcibly, illegally removed from that campaign rally. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you've done all those things, please check out all the videos below. Stay up to date with everything we do here at Ring of Fire.